Software fundamentals. I'll be talking about the importance of software and fundamentals, usability and accessibility, W3 standards and guidelines. The web is on a very basic level planned to work for all individuals, whether their equipment, programming area, or capacity. At the point when the web meets this objective, it is available to individuals with a different scope of hearing, development, locate, and general capacity. I will now be talking about the importance of accessibility. It helps people with disabilities, helps older people, people in urban areas, people in developing countries, and helps people without disability as well. For loop and while loop. A for loop is a flow statement which lets a code to be executed repeatedly. While loop is a control flow statement that allows a code to be executed repeatedly based on a given Boolean condition. The while loop can be thought of as a repeating if statement. Do while loop is a flow statement that executes a block of code at least once. Operators. When it comes to an operator, it is an image that directs the compiler, which is a computer software that transforms a computer code which is written in one programming language into another programming language to perform particular numerical or genuine controls. Global and local. Global and local variables and their data types. The difference between the two is that the local variable is the one which affects the function which they are in. When it comes to a global function, it is known as the outside function. What it can do is that it can be used anywhere or be accessed and be used in any program at a time. When it comes to the local variable, it is known as the function which is inside. Now we will be discussing about the switch, which is an important aspect as well in software and fundamentals. The switch statement is a multi-way branch statement. It provides an easy way to dispatch execution to different parts of a code based on the value of the expression. Now we will be moving on to object, properties, and methods. A JavaScript object has properties related with it. A property of an object can be clarified as a variable that is connected to the object. Object properties are fundamentally the same as a normal JavaScript would be. You get to the properties of an object with a basic specification. Now we will be moving on to project-oriented design. Project-oriented design depends on the idea of demonstrating things inside this present reality as objects. Each protest has state and conduct, for instance, individual, name, age, sexual orientation, ethnicity, stature, and weight, puppy name, age, sexual orientation and breed, stature, weight, and tail, auto make, show, age, wheels, motor, and horn, lights. Now we will be discussing some of the behavior. Individuals eat, drink, talk, slither, walk, run, love, and multiply. A puppy eats, drinks, barks, walks, runs, sways, and moves its tail. A car uses an auto brake, quickens, slowens, and streaks. Its lights, beams, and horns. A method is a build-up of statements that are collected together to piece out an operation. Comments. A comment is a software engineer visible clarification, or comment is the source code of a PC program that are included with the motivation behind influencing the source to code less demanding for people to comprehend and are by and large disagreed by compilers and meditators. A single line comment starts with two forward slashes and continue until it reaches the end of the line. This is a single line comment x equals 5 / a single line comment after code. Multi-line comments are used for large text descriptions of code to comment out chunks of code while debugging applications. Thank you for listening to my software and fundamentals presentation. I hope this helped and you have learned more information. Thank you very much.